Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Okay, today guys, I'm going to show you my front garden. So it's the weather now is becoming warmer, so there's more flowers coming up. So let's start with this. I forgot the name of these guys. This grow every year, and I forgot the name of these. And I got some more in here, and this is lavender. This grows every year as well, so I need to do cutting and then make to multiply that one. So, and here, look at these guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. This is Cystus. This is white. And look at that in the middle. It's so pretty. It looks like it's painted. And also the petals, it looks like a delicate wet paper. It's so soft and crumpled. A bit crumpled. It's so pretty. And look at that. This is only one plant. I planted it from there. And then over the years, it's crawling here and it's getting longer and longer. I don't know, maybe it will go over there. And this one is more flower too. So this is so pretty. It's this one, it just come by itself. I didn't plant this. It plant itself.
Clematis.
Yeah, and now look at this guys. This is the star of the show. This one is the first to flower spring. So it's so pretty. And there's another one. That the color is different. It's a bit darker. This is so thorny. I cannot go in there. So and the roses are starting to flower as well. Look are all these tiny thing. And this one is yellow. And this one is red. And then when it's flowers together, plus this, in a few weeks, then it will be nice in here. So this one is, it already started opening. So it's nice. Okay guys, so this one is Weigela. Look at this, it's so pretty. And this one is a sort of, I think lily, but I don't know. I don't know the name of this one. So that's so pretty as well. So this Weigela, it flowers long time. So these flowers from spring to summer. It's so, I don't know how many weeks, but it's long flowering. It's so nice to have in the garden, to have color in the garden. Same like this. Oh, there's a yellow in there already. Yellow roses. So it's already starting, I know. So I can't wait. In a few weeks, there will be abundance of flowers. Right, so this is my front garden, guys. What do you think? I love my garden because they are perennial, and then they just grow and they just flower year after year, and they are evergreen as well. So it's good to have in the garden, low maintenance and nice flowers, nice blooms. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.